These people they're not hurting you. They're not fighting you. These people, when I heard them, because I was in the street to listen to them, when I heard them, they were saying that kuna wauaji. I'm pretty sure you have never, and you can never kill. You can never, and you have never killed. These people, what they're asking, why are bad people in your government? Why are bad people operating? That is what, because they believe that they created you, and you said so, that you are prayed into power. So you are a project of these people. You are not your own project. You're not a project of a political party. You're not a project of a godfather somewhere. You are a project of these people. And these people believe that you belong. You are their property. That is why they don't want you to be contaminated by bad people. Maybe this could be the elements from their previous government. Or this could be people just who are hell-bent to make sure that you don't govern this nation correctly or rightfully. These are people that are just there to distort, to make you look like you're a bad man. You're not a bad man, Mr. President. Mr. President, please listen to these children. They're your daughters. They're your sons. These are not sent by politicians. I was there. I just wanted to hear one sent by a politician. They were not sent by a politician. They were not paid.